How to upload videos on TikTok from your PC or laptop. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to upload videos on TikTok from your laptop or PC. So let's get started. First, what you guys have to do is you will open up tiktok.com on your laptop. So just go to tiktok.com and it will open up like this. You can see we have our feed right here. We have all of the posts that I can just scroll down. Even if I open up one of these, I can then scroll down to watch the videos. So I can connect my account, which I have. You can just scan the QR code of your profile that you have on your mobile phone, your TikTok profile, and it will be logged in on your laptop as well. So we get the upload option right here. I'm gonna click on upload and it will take me to the upload window. Alright, so this is where you upload the video. It's super easy to do. Now I just need to select. I'm gonna click on select file and you can see now the video is being uploaded. I can add a caption, like whatever caption you want to add, like we do on our TikTok app. Then we have the cover that we can select. I can select who can view my video, followers, friends, or private. Then we have the copyright check, discard, and post option. Once the uploading is done, it's 100%. The video will be shown here and I will be able to post it from my laptop. This is the option right here. And that's how easy it is to simply post videos from your laptop or your PC to TikTok. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.